doing this video for information purposes. I have these door handles. Here's a part number. These ones are Allmakes. I had the same issue with Britpart and Bearmach. Same basic handle design. They actually come from 3 entirely separate countries. You can see here I've got 2 seals, 2 plastic seals. One goes on the big end, one goes on the little end. You can tell which ones go which. This one, big one, fits perfectly. This one, see if I can make this do this without pushing it. As you can see, it does not fit. It is the handle that is wrong, not the seal. It doesn't fit. Anyway, all 3 of these, 3 different countries, possibly 3 manufacturers, all shit.